Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making a trash to treasure project. We are taking some ugly thrift store chairs and turning them into some cute padded stools. And we're doing it with the help of our friends at Fairfield World. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some stools. Thrift store or flea market chair will do. Just make sure that it's sturdy and that you can remove the back. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor and I will see you next week. Bye.